Okay, in this video we will gonna be installing and downloading the required software. Let me just open up the browser, and I've already put all the links of softwares that you can download from there, or maybe you can download from your favorite website. Doesn't really matter. So as I told you that we need two softwares. One is Xampp and another one is text editor, whatever you like. We will gonna use Notepad++. You will find Xampp for both Windows as well as for Mac, but unfortunately there is only Windows version of Notepad available. So you can actually use whatever text editor you like. For the Mac users, maybe you can use Text Wrangler. In this video, I will install the softwares for Windows because I am a Windows user. It's really very easy, just next, and you're done. So let's just start downloading. I'm gonna use the latest version for both of them. It's really very easy. I just presume that you are becoming a PHP developer, then you must know how to download the basic softwares. They are just normal softwares. You just have to download. You will have to do next, and it will finish the installation. Just a piece of cake. Meanwhile it's downloading, let's just go to Notepad and download that as well. And we will also gonna see how to actually configure the Xampp. It's both same on Windows and Mac, so don't worry about that because I will gonna show you in Windows, and that's exactly what you have to do in your Mac. I'm again telling you that I have put all these links in the lecture resources, so you can go there and download directly, or maybe you use the one that you really like to download things from. Downloading taking a while. Well, as you can see, Notepad++ has downloaded. Let's just open up the folder and install it. Yes, I want to do it. You can actually select the different directory, create the shortcut. It's just a really basic software installation. Everyone can do that. There we go. We have done. Let's run it. You can see a nice and clean editor we got here. So let's just close this one and wait. Okay, now downloading has been done. Don't get confused because I just paused the video so I can save your time. Let's just open up. Well, you do not have to worry about those things. You have to make sure that all these things are checked. And then, yeah, here's the thing. Those of you who just work for temporary basis, you can simply install the Xampp in your C drive. But if you want it for the long term, I suggest you to download install somewhere else except C drive, because sometimes it's happened your Windows got corrupt, or you might need to restore the things, or maybe you might need to format the C drive and install the fresh window. In that case, you will lose all the files, all the work that you will done. So in our case, I will gonna install it in software drive. I just quickly open it up and that's it. E drive. The selected folder is not empty. Okay, wait, well, sorry about that. We gotta have to, let me open up my, in here we have to create a new folder, and we can say it. Okay, so let's just open it again. Xampp, and no, I don't want to learn about it. It's not really necessary. Now it's running. Let's just wait for a few minutes. Just a few more seconds, I guess. It's taking a little while. It's not a heavy software, but actually a lot of work going on in my laptop. So that's the reason it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, actually it might ask you to this pop-up as well. All you have to do is to allow the access. What it is asking the local server to access your computer. So your firewall, if your firewall is active, you might get this pop-up. So just go ahead and click over allow. So it will allow the Xampp local server to install perfectly in your computer, and whenever you run it, firewall will not conflict with it. Okay, we are done. Setup has finished. Installation Xampp on your computer. Do you want to start control panel now? Okay, so we will gonna do it by ourselves, so you can see how can you open it up all the time when you open your PC. There are just few more steps. All you have to do is go there. Yeah, remember the drive, E drive, Xampp. Here we go. This is the folder. You see, all the files are here, as you can see. But you only have to go whenever you open your PC. All you have to do is to go this folder, ht docs. This is the folder where you will go all the time. There is no other files that you have to concern with. All you have to do is just open the Xampp and go here. Okay, here we will create the folders with our project names or whatever name you want to write, and then we will access this. First of all, let me open the Xampp. As you can see, this is the control panel. You will see this. You can open using this one, as well as you can open using this one. Let me open it up. Yes, first maybe it will ask you the language, and then it will open up. You see it's open. You will see that icon on your taskbar, or maybe in the tray box. That's good that we got this error, because this is the common error that usually people get when they run the Xampp. I'm glad that this just got pop up, and I did for purpose. Actually, this is the error for Apache. Why this error come? Because Apache run on port 80, and most of the other applications also run on port 80. So you have to make sure that port 80 is always free if that error pop up. But mostly it happens when Skype is running. You can see port 80 is Skype. You see, it's also telling you the software which consumed the port 80. And what you can do, you can simply turn off the Skype. Let me do it real quick so you can see we can run it. Yes, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to click on start. Yeah, it will ask you to allow the access from your computer firewall. Now you can see Apache has been loaded. Now the next one you have to load is MySQL. These two are the things that you have to load. This pop-up will not come always. It's just a first time thing. This is why I'm just doing the demonstration. You done this and you're good to go now. You do not have to do anything else. Actually, I will recommend you click on this configure file, auto start of modules. This is the module that we will gonna use, Apache and MySQL. Just click those two and save. So whenever you run the Xampp, it will automatically open those two modules. So we are good to go now. we will gonna come in next lecture, run the PHP file, so you can see how can we run the PHP file using our local server. So okay, thanks for your time.